The next crypto bull market is coming. Although it has, without a doubt, experienced some drops, it's safe to say that this bull is not likely to run into a fence shortly. Welcome back to Crypto Trends, and we've got for you the latest update on what's next in the crypto bull. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon too so you don't miss out on any of our amazing videos. And let's begin. After all, the bull run has exceeded all of its predictions, and it captured a lot of people's attention when it became the first time that Bitcoin reached the $50,000 barrier. $50,000. One may be forgiven for wondering why the current round is different from the one that came before it. To begin, the availability of various online trading platforms such as WazirX makes it simpler for investors, both retail and institutional, to profit during this run. This makes it easier for investors to participate. In addition, it doesn't look like this run will finish anytime soon, and it's roaring on higher expectations. Well, it seems to be history now. To a very small extent, and with very few exceptions, investment in cryptocurrencies in 2022 has been a complete and utter failure. Even market heavyweights like Bitcoin and Ethereum have seen their value drop by more than half, while the value of some of the lesser-known cryptocurrencies has dropped by at least 80%. However, there is no comparable history for the cryptocurrency market, in contrast to the stock market, which is a long-term track record of rebounding from bear markets and going on to establish new highs. As a result of this, many market players, including investors and commentators alike, are now wondering when, or even if, the next bull market in cryptocurrencies will begin. In 2023, Yves Lamoureux, head of the macroeconomic research organization Lamoureux & Company, is widely regarded as one of the most positive industry analysts about cryptocurrencies. Lamoureux is one of the numerous analysts who, throughout the past few years, has predicted that the price of Bitcoin will eventually reach the fictitious amount of $100,000. Lamoureux predicted as recently as May 26, 2022, that Bitcoin will reach an exorbitant price as soon as the year 2023 comes to a close. On the other hand, the fact that Lamoureux believes a bull market is developing in Bitcoin does not automatically imply that he's in favor of a significant rally in the asset class as a whole. When it comes to investing in Bitcoin, he recommends that you avoid taking a scattershot strategy. According to Lamoureux, the lesser cryptocurrencies carry an unacceptable level of risk, and investors shouldn't stray too far from Bitcoin. To paraphrase what Lamoureux himself has said, "I'm interested in Bitcoin because it is the king, and that's where institutional money will go first. Therefore, you should never deviate from the finest." Everyone has the same goal of becoming Bitcoin, but they can't. Stay with Bitcoin. Don't make things more difficult for yourself. In the year 2024, although Lamoureux believes that the next stage of growth for Bitcoin is just around the horizon, a lot of industry analysts believe 2024 will be the big year for cryptocurrencies in general, with Bitcoin serving as the market leader. This is because Bitcoin will experience its second halving event in the year 2024. A halving event is a recurring occurrence that raises the difficulty of mining extra Bitcoin. This makes it more difficult to obtain additional Bitcoin. This lowers the amount of money that can be generated using Bitcoin, which, according to the principles of supply and demand, should make it more scarce and hence possibly more valuable. Though increasing one's wealth, history has also demonstrated that there is often a rise in Bitcoin values following each halving occurrence. This is a pattern that has been observed. As a result, several industry professionals, including Lamoureux, believe that the price of Bitcoin may see another spike in 2024, reasoning that this prediction is supported by both historical precedent and fundamental economic principles. For instance, the co-founder of Huobi, Dujun, speculates that there may be something of a crypto winter until values begin to recover once more in 2024 and continue into 2025. Dujun is a believer in the theory that the price of Bitcoin won't significantly improve until the second halving event in 2024. According to what he said to CNBC, we won't be able to celebrate the next bull market on Bitcoin until the end of 2024 or beginning of 2025. Well, is it never? Many old school and traditional investors believe that the days of Bitcoin are limited and there may never again be a bull market in the asset class. They also believe that there's a good chance that there will never be another down market. The chairman and chief executive officer of Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett, sometimes known as the Oracle of Omaha, has expressed several unfavorable opinions towards cryptocurrencies in general and Bitcoin in particular. In 2018, Buffett predicted that cryptocurrencies would come to a horrible finish when speaking to CNBC. During the annual shareholder meeting for Berkshire Hathaway in 2022, he stated that he would not purchase all the Bitcoin in the world for $25. Charlie Munger, his co-chair, has a similarly pessimistic outlook on cryptocurrencies, calling them rat poison. Or is this just a typical bear market that'll pass soon? Even if the current sell-off in cryptocurrencies may leave investors feeling sick to their stomachs, some industry professionals believe that it's quite typical for such a process to occur. According to Jason Yanowitz, co-founder of Blockworks, a research platform for cryptocurrency investors, crypto bear markets often pull down between 85 and 90%. According to Yanowitz, there have been 2 severe bear markets in cryptocurrencies in the past 10 years, during which Bitcoin's value has dropped by more than 80%. On both occasions, though, it recovered and continued to new heights of success. As a result of this, in his opinion, investors should not let the recent large price decreases discourage them from investing. Recently, crypto markets rose sharply. Several cryptocurrencies' prices have risen. Bitcoin soared above $22,500, its highest level in almost a month. Polygon Network's Matic token has outperformed Bitcoin in recent days. Disney chose Polygon for its 2022 Accelerator program, which boosted Matic by 66%. Ethereum topped $1,500. The increasing crypto prices suggest a crypto bull run or that crypto winter may be cut short if the rally continues for another 2 to 3 weeks. Crypto specialists say it's too soon to call a bull run. The world's oldest cryptocurrency hit $22,753 during the day session. Bitcoin and Ether led the market cap beyond $1 trillion on Monday. It's too early to call it a bull market until we see if the present trend is sustained, says Charles Tan, CMO of Atato, a licensed MPC custodian wallet. CoinShares reported $12 million in digital asset inflows last week. Most inflows came from investors speculating for Bitcoin's price to fall. CoinShares said inflows show new investors predict additional declines while current investors don't sell. Well, overall, the fact that cryptocurrency has always been a sanctuary for speculators may help to explain the disparity in attitude that exists between more traditional investors and younger investors of today's age. You are just as likely to hear a Yanowitz sound a rallying cry for investors for every Munger or Buffett who believes that the value of cryptocurrencies will eventually reach zero. No matter which side of the debate you find yourself on, you should talk to a financial expert to determine whether or not cryptocurrency is a good fit for your investing goals and how much you're willing to risk losing money. The cryptocurrency markets have emerged from the severe fear zone. The general market attitude is now in the fear zone, according to the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. According to experts, the rise is likely to continue in the following weeks. BTC market sentiment has finally moved out of the severe fear zone and is at its highest level in over 3 months. BTC's 12-hour chart is broken out of the channel formation. The next important resistance level for Bitcoin is likely to be $32,300, with $17,700 acting as an immediate support level. The daily RSI is still over 50, which is considered good. We can anticipate the rise to continue in the following weeks, WazirX trade desk analyst wrote in a note. And that's going to do it for today's video. We sincerely hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and make sure you share it with all your friends and family. Let us know if you have any questions or comments for us in the section down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you'll see even more of our incredible videos. You can also watch our other videos that have been specially selected just for you. We look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching.